Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up lock screen for your Steam Deck. So to do this you'll need to click on a Steam button right here. Now navigate to the settings, scroll down to security, and here enable any of the settings, and that means each of the settings says when the lock screen appears. So for example, I want my lock screen to be before showing a login screen, so select it, and right here you can set up the PIN code, and be careful as your PIN code is not working like a normal keyboard, but you can see the buttons next to each number, so click on the buttons corresponding to the numbers. So here I want 1, 2, 3, 4, so I'm gonna press the arrow up, arrow left, arrow down, arrow right, now L2, which is a button right here, and then R2, which is the button right here. Now we need to confirm the PIN key, PIN code, so let's do that. And now we've just set up our PIN code. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.